Hi vlog! Be, I miss you! Okay. Be, magpapakabait ka sa pupuntahan! Miss kita!
Wala, oy, gaga. Wala ka pwede.
Ikaw ba?
Oh, shit. Here we go again.
Nandito kami ngayon sa bus station papuntang ano ba? Airport. Ay. Welcome to selfie. Ano?
Nasaan ka, oy? Ay, dito ka nasama.
Cheers!
Cheers! Ay, video man kayo na. Ay! Uy, dahil naka-video.
Mga bakla, say hi dyan.
Nagpaabot sa tuloy.
Hintay ng bus. Ayan na yung bus namin. Yes! Girl Betch, ang may pinakamabigat na dala sa amin. Universe. It's Universe. Di mag-vlog. Oh guys, saan ang punta guys? Dapat ganun. Perfect. Oh yes. Oh Miss Finland. Miss Finland. Isa pa. Oh, pak. Oh. Isa pa. Talon ka dyan. Talon.
Bukas, pwede? Bukas na lang. Bukas.
Guys, ito yung sasakyan namin papuntang Maafushi.
You serious?
We're ang perfect. Ay. Oh, hi Millicent. Oh, saan tayo sasakay? Doon pala sa mas maliit na boat. Oh, ang ating backpacker, say hi. Hi. Hi ka lang dyan, sis. Ay, Pak, san punta, girl?
I'm going to Ilocos.
Andito po kami ngayon sa Maldives at syempre kailangang may dala-dalang fins. Oh, ito yung fins niya. Ako na nagbuhat, girls.
Girls, subscribers ko.
Oh, ano masasabi mo sa pupuntahan natin? Saan nga tayo pupunta? Hindi ako marunong mag-vlog, sis.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Ito na lang. Ako na lang magbablog para sa'yo, ha. One of the things I always try to create and oftentimes do whenever someone is living is that I'm crying. I'm always crying every... But now, I would like you to know, Millicent, that I'm very happy for you. Kung saan ka man pupunta, sa Qatar man yan or sa Saudi, masaya ako para sa'yo, be. At masaya ako na naging kaibigan kita.
Perfect.
Ako yung malaki yung sasakyan namin. Nakita niyo? Ito pala yung sasakyan namin. Ay! Ay, sorry ka. Ay, perfect.
Twenty minutes later.
Pagkakita ko na siya sa yung sabon. Bakit kayo shot ko on?
1 hour later. Eventually.
Hindi pa kami nakascore.
12 o'clock midnight.
Uy, nag-i-echo yung ano to.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Ayun eh. Anong pala na scan, be?
Akala mo, Maldives, puro dagat eh. Nagpasaka eh. Naging Sahara din. Bumanggun lang.
Sabi pa niya, okay na mag-joy-joy kami. After 5 minutes, that's my man.
Pero mali ka nang natanungan. Dapat nakakaway.
Ay, putang may na.
Sabi niya sa laki, oh. Be, tingnan mo ako, be.
Eh, nasalat ko na lang eh.
Ay, na talaga. Ay, putang ina. QR code. Na-scan. Hindi na-detect.
Tama na yung amount.
Over pa daw.
Bastos.
Na-over kasi that's my man.
That's my bayot.
Ilabas na natin yung tunay na tayo.
Yes. Hating gabi na kasi. Hating
Ilabas
gabi
mo
na.
yan sa vlog mo, ha?
Yeah. Unfiltered.
Nakatibak ako, makita ng papa ko.
I-block natin yung papa mo. Good morning.
Hello, guys.
Ha?
Stingray.
while.
Hi, Mr. Driver! Hi, perfect!
Nice.
Hi, guys!
Eventually.
Sharky! Hi.
Lava girl.
Andito si Winona.
Michael!
Hindi na ako mag...
Ay, Michael! Yan ba yung mga alaga mo?
Yes! I'm so happy. I saw them already. Okay, so eto na nga. Pagod na ako. Maglangoy. With the shark. Ayan. Ana, hi dyan.
Have you tried eating stingray?
They're real. See? Ang dami nila. Perfect.
They also eat shark sometimes.
Ayan. O, di ba?
Phone mo?
Totoo silang shark. As in, super.
Sa imong phone, kinindot imong phone.
Ayan. Hello, hello. Welcome back to myself. Ayan, wala na yung aking wig. Oh, ayan. Shark. Shark.
Asa yung
Shark. Ay, shark. Bongga.
Wado ta.
Ayan sila, ayan sila. Ayan sila. Welcome back to my vlog.
Oh, Lord. Again.
Oh. Yes. Ayan na naman sila. Oh, perfect. Oh, yes. Hello. Millicent, say hi. Ah, yes, yes. Ayan, pinapakain nila po ng tuna. Ayan, ang perfect. Ay. Oh, Cha. Hi naman dyan. Ay, yes. Ana. Ay, ang perfect ng aking kaibigan si Millicent. Tingnan niyo si Millicent, nagflo-float siya. Oh.
Let's go.
Ang babaeng shark. Ang babaeng baklo. Chick.
Wow.
Best outing.
Show your cleavage! Oten!
Ako naman ang bababa. With the shark. Oh.
Hindi na sibat ko.
Perfect ba?
Apo.
Ay, yes. Yut, i-close mo yung arms mo, Yut.
Yung finger mo.
Fingers.
Baka kainin.
Baka finger girl.
Di ka na makakapag...
Good. What an experience.
Psych!
Pagod na kami. Yes. We're so pagod.
Hi, so we're now in Palido Island. This is our last stop of our half-day tour. I haven't vlogged it much because I was having a migraine since the night we came in Mapushi. But right now, we are having a pictorial session in the seashore with the stingrays and the sharks.
Mildred, dali ka dito. Mildred. Ayan, si Mildred. Grabe, ang ganda ng tubig. Ang super perfect. May ano pa effect? Ay, effect! Isa pa, isa. Ay, effect! Nog.
Better you
Gam
say
nagragsak.
like Philippines does.
It's also food, no? Philippine Games.
Yeah, the
You can also eat Filipina.
Yes.
That's the best food in Philippines.
Best trip ever.
The girls.
Two hours later.
Good morning.
1 hour later.
There are a lot of souvenir shops here in the Maldives where you can buy t-shirts, jewelry, swimsuits as well, bags. I just actually bought a shirt. It's a remembrance of me living here for 5 years, and I found a really perfect shirt.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Brian. Louder. I like the Happy birthday, Brian. Do you remember some? Birthday Nanny Brian. Birthday Nanny Brian. Birthday Nanny Brian. Get.
Kamusta yung schedule natin for
Ay,
today's
grabe.
video?
From evening to morning duty, going to Maafushi. Maafushi going to safari. Have some drinks.
Have some
right?
drink?
Drinks. Then after go home, early in the morning excursion. Like with shark and stingrays. And ano pa ba? After that, go home. Celebrating the birthday of Bryle. And after that, dinner at annual anniversary of Treetop Hospital. And after that, we're going to Matcha. After Matcha, we're going home at support. Then upload, edit na. Pwede ko tayo. Ayan,
Are you
ipakita
still
mo yung mga-
alive?
Yeah, we're still alive. O, tingnan mo
Are you
naman
still
yung mga ano
alive?
namin, outfitan namin.
Insert the picture here.
Tama ba yung English ko, Ge?
We'll see. Comment below.
Comment below, yeah. O, ipakita mo daw yung ano, yung bridge. Ang lakas ng loob mo kasi wala kayong pasok.
Celebrate good times. Come on.
Tawid! Okay, stand up and slowly walk. Di ba mag-shot na?
Uy, gagi!
Pwede ka mag-
Uy, wag mo! Wag mo!
Youth bawa. Youth!
Kanina?
Ayaw! Ayaw mag-look. Yung tinatama ka doon.
Ay, Pirena! Lumabas na ang Pirena!
Ay!
Ang reyna ng Pirena! Yes! Smile! O, tayo! Ipakita mo ang alindon! Perfect! Ay, isa pa! Ah, tayo! Ayun, pwet! Ayun, signature pose! Signature pose! Ah, tayo!